What is up, guys, and welcome back to ATV Farms. And today is another quick episode, so let's roll with the flow. So in today's video, we got our Macdon hat. So in today's video, we're gonna be taking care of lambs. So we're gonna come out here and I'm gonna hope that he doesn't jump the gate again when I go to feed him. So here we go. Now I believe this is episode 72. Yeah, episode 72. I was talking to the camera. Water over there? Alright. So you do the cows and I'll do the sheep. So we're gonna go ahead and drag. I'm gonna run so it doesn't like overfill. So right now we're gonna drag the hose over to the cow tank. Do they need water?
Neptune needs water right now.
All right. Hold on, folks. See if that does something. Hopefully that gives us enough work room. It's not gonna. Yeah. Oh, can you grab it? Am I good? Got it. I got it. Yep.
Hey, did you see this file?
File?
Yeah,
You said file. Did you already feed these guys? No. It says, is mine, is, I'll just look. So we're gonna feed the lambs now. Did you knock your feet? No, you didn't. Yeah. Hey, Bubba. Wait. What the? Oh. Hi. Yes. All right, now we're gonna check their waters. Yeah, they're gonna need water. At least those guys will. Yeah, they're both gonna need both of them are gonna need water. I'll start with watering mine so I don't trip over the hose. Actually, I'll start by watering these guys. Set that there for now. We're gonna walk back over here. Connect. Yeah. Got it. Hi, Bubba.